Hi, my name is Solomon Ababio Agyemang, the Chief Servant of Wealth Group International and the CSO of Wealth Gate Institute. I'm an activational speaker, a wealth creation crusader, and a business apostle. It was Jim Rohn who once said, profits are better than wages. Wages can only make you and give you a living, but profits will give you a fortune. My name is Solomon Ababio Agyemang, the Chief Servant Officer of the Wealth Group International. Warren Buffett once said, if you don't find a way to make money while sleeping, you will work until you die. Do you know something big is happening currently in our world? The world has now become a global village. Right on your palms, you can access the world. Do you know we have now moved from the industrial age to the information age? And in the information age, the industrial age methodologies might not be relevant in this age. What are you doing currently to be part of this revolution that is happening in the information age? Do you know in the information age, you can stay here in Africa and you can access anywhere in the world? That is why in the 21st century, everything has become electronic. Mails have become emails. Documents have become e-documents. Even conferences have become e-conferences. Do you know businesses have become e-businesses? And even how to make money, you can make it virtually. Well, the good news is the world is your market and the world is your playing field. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a global conglomerate, a global business right in your bedroom, right on your palms. Keep watching this video because in the next few minutes, your life and your financial destiny is about to be changed. Realistically, great corporations that exist in our times were not relevant and could not work 20 years ago. Do you know Uber, which is the biggest taxi rank in the world, doesn't even own a single taxi? Why? They leverage on the platform of the information age. Do you know Facebook, which is the biggest media provider, doesn't even provide a single content? Do you know even Alibaba, the biggest retailer currently in the world, doesn't own a single inventory? What makes these organizations great corporations? To the extent that even 20 years ago, they were not relevant. Well, what is the way forward? The way forward is simple, and that is what the rich are doing from the poor. It is called strategic alliance, strategic positioning, simply partnership. Who you partner with determines your derivative in every business engagement you find yourself. So, in this video, I'm going to present to you a global brand, a global organization that you can partner with and make you a global business owner. I'm so excited. The company's name is Long Reach International. Great corporations like Microsoft and even Dangote group of companies, which is here in Africa, the owners and the founders do not single-handedly own the entire company. They use the concept of leverage, the concept of partnership to be able to access the world. Who are you partnering with? Long Reach International. This is a 33-year-old company that has thrived in Europe, in America, in Asia, and now in Africa. This is our time. For the past 20 years, Long Reach has invested so much in their brand. But for the past 10 years and beyond, they are now sharing the wealth. And that is why I'm sharing this video with you. We are currently in over 168 and counting countries. In Africa, we are in Ghana, we are in Nigeria, in Cameroon, in South Africa, in Ivory Coast, in Togo, Benin, Burkina Faso, Tanzania, and Kenya for that matter. And we are counting and opening several other countries. And globally, we can be found in the USA, in Europe, in China, of course, in South Korea, in Philippines, in Hong Kong, in Malaysia, in Singapore, and several other countries across the globe. Long Reach International can boast of 8 R&Ds, research and development institutions across the globe. We have one in Paris, France. We have one in USA. We have one in Japan, and the rest in China. For every organization to invest in its R&D, research and development, it means it is very peculiar and particular about its output, its products. And that's what Long Reach stands for, quality. For the past 30 years, this company has invested in several platforms. We are into agriculture, we are into banking and finance, we are into furniture business, we are into franchise, we are into OEM, original equipment manufacturers, and several other model of business. We currently produce for global brands such as Adidas, Unilever, Tesco, Marks & Spencer, Walmart, our own Samsung, GSK, Elizabeth Arden, Avon, and several other brands across the globe. Do you know that currently Longrich is building an intelligent manufacturing plant in Ikoyi, Nigeria, to be precise, to supply the African market? This is a company that is looking at staying in Africa, not for long, but for good. Now, talking about our products, Longrich currently have over 2,000 products across the globe. And all these products are highly consumable. All these products are flagship products. We have the healthcare product, we have the daily cosmetic product, we have the household product, we have the skincare product, and then we have the health machinery product and several other products. I would like you to contact the person who shared this video with you to let them show you all our products and its functions. We have several products, as I mentioned. I can't share all in this video because in this video I want to dwell and emphasize more on our rewarding package, on our investment package, and how Longrich changes your life. Stay tuned. We've now gotten to the most important part of this video. How do you get paid? How does Longrich reward you? Simply, Longrich rewards you on the John D. Rockefeller philosophy, where he said, I, Rockefeller, would prefer to earn 1% of 100 people's effort instead of 100% of only my effort. That is the concept of leverage. In Longrich, it is simple. Longrich says, partner with us, log on with us, and do these two major things. Number one, change your brand to the Longrich brand and change your bank account. Number two, share our product with your loved ones and you make money. The company rewards you in 10 major different ways. But the company pays you actually a total of 92% out to you and I as partners and as distributors. So when you partner with Longrich, what's it in for you? Number one, the company gives you the opportunity to build your own brand, build your organization on its model and on its platform. Number two, the company gives you the opportunity to raise other entrepreneurs, other business-minded people. In other words, build a team. Who wants to be an entrepreneur? Who wants to have extra money? Who wants to have another stream of income? Longrich says they can only partner with Longrich only through you. Number three, Longrich gives you the opportunity to share 1% of their global profits as a VIP. If you join Longrich with a package of VIP, every month 1% is taken and shared only among the VIP based on their performance that particular month. The next is, this company gives you the opportunity to win several cars each year, not limited, but as many as you can earn. Moreover, Longrich says, let's give you the opportunity to see other parts of the world. Don't only be in your local country. Travel on fully expense-paid trip by Longrich International and sleep in 5-star hotel. Every year, Longrich gives you the opportunity to travel into 4 different countries across the world. China and Dubai are inevitable. America, Europe, and Asia alternate, fully paid by Longrich International. In addition, Longrich also gives the staff directors the opportunity to go and study an executive Masters in Business Administration in the USA, in Denver, Colorado, in Regis University, fully expense paid by Longrich International, only for staff directors. The most exciting of them all is Longrich granting you 4-year educational scholarship, 4-year educational scholarship in China's Harvard Suzhou University that you can transfer to your next of kin to go and have their first degree in China. Full scholarship paid by Longrich International. This excites me most. That is why if you are watching this video, please, your decision is not about you alone. It's about your children who are in primary, your children who are in college, and your next of kin and your family who are looking up to you. Ladies and gentlemen, we've actually gotten to the most exciting part of this presentation. Longrich pays us every single week. Longrich pays us bonuses and commissions. How does those commissions count? When you partner with Longrich, your bank accounts are taken, and every single week, whatever activities that takes place in your organization, not only by your singular effort, but by your effort and that of your team, you get paid, not once, not twice, every single week for life. The first bonus is the retail bonus. In Longreach, no one can access our product except through you. When you partner with Longreach, you have your distributor or partner's price and then the retail price. The difference between the buying price and the selling price is your retail profit, and you earn that money immediately the transaction takes place, and you can earn up the tune of 65% on your return on investment. And the good news is, when you invest in Longreach, 100% back money guarantee is given to you. Your money is given to you in product worth more than your money. The next exciting bonus, which is where the big money and the main money is a performance bonus. As the name goes, performance bonus. It is paid every week based on our performance. You and several others doing a little, each one achieving extraordinary result. Longreach gives you the opportunity to earn from 8% up to 12% on the total points or PVs, which you call product value generated in that particular week. If you are silver, Longreach makes you earn 8% each week on your performance or on the PV. If you are gold, 10%. If you are platinum, 12%. If you are VIP, also 12% plus the monthly 1% global profit that is shared amongst only the VIPs. That is performance bonus. Longreach International expects you to develop just as corporate organizations develop. So Longreach says, start introducing and start getting on board, start helping other people to also plug into the business. The moment that starts, you begin to earn what we call development bonus. Development bonus is the bonus you earn on the people that have joined your team each week. And it is 10% across. It doesn't matter your package of entry. You can be silver, you can be VIP, you all earn 10% across. And Longreach pays this every single week. The next exciting bonus is a leadership bonus. The leadership bonus rewards us based on our ranks, based on our levels as leaders. With our system, you start the business from the bottom and you grow up steadily. We have Diamond 1, Diamond 2, Diamond 3, Diamond 4, up to Diamond 7. Then when you become Diamond 7, you enter into the realms of the millionaires. So with Star Director, Longreach allows you to start from Star Director 1, Star Director 2, Star Director 3, Star Director 4, and then Star Director 5, which is the peak in this business. So with leadership bonus, Longreach allows you to earn from 10% up to 45% based on your rank or level. The last but not the least bonus is the retail order bonus. This bonus is actually paid once every month. It is paid based on the purchases made under you by the people who are under you or people who are working with you. And this is paid once. And with retail bonus, you can earn every month from 25% to 50%. With the car incentives, Longreach upgrades your car to an SUV when you become a Diamond 7. Longreach says now you are now an executive partner with us. Move your car from a saloon to a 4-wheel drive, fully paid by Longreach International. In addition to these incentives, this is the most exciting incentives to me. As a Diamond 7, Longreach gives you a 4-year educational scholarship in China, in Suzhou University. And you know the good thing? You can transfer this scholarship to your loved ones, to your children, to your next of kin. And that is one of the powerful incentives Longreach offers its partners and distributors. When you become a Star Director, Longreach gives you 2 major incentives and reward. The first one is the Executive Masters in Business Administration you study in Regis University, Denver, Colorado, in the United States of America. This scholarship is fully sponsored by Longreach International for only the Star Directors. Now, the icing on the cake is Longreach giving you the opportunity to fund your house, a house fund up to the tune of $150,000 US, fully funded by Longreach International as a Star Director. This is so exciting, and already people in Africa and across the globe have already started enjoying this incentive. Ladies and gentlemen, Longreach currently wants to conquer the world from Africa. Africa, this is our time. We are blessed. Let's seize this opportunity. Currently, we have over 800,000 people in Africa, and Long Reach has a projection of 1,500,000 people in the year 2019. And the year 2020, Long Reach has a projection of 3 million people to reach in Africa. You are the liaison, you are the medium through which these people will be reached. Please seize this opportunity and let's get on. So how can I be part of this? How can I join this business? And how can I take over this opportunity? It is simple. Get in touch with the person who shared this video with you. But who should take action to start this video? There are only 4 people that should take action in this video. Number 1, the people who love our product. Those who are in love and want to use our product. Number 2 are those who want to earn extra weekly income. I don't know about you, but I want to earn multiple streams of income, because research has shown that one of the key difference between the rich and the poor is in their number of streams of income. The poor usually have 1 stream of income, the rich have several streams of income. The third people to join are those who want to earn huge monies, like 30,000K, 100,000K. Please, if you're in this category, join this business, because this business pays so much. This business makes your bank account balance look like a telephone number. And number 4, the people who should join are those who want uncommon freedom, financial freedom, who want to live the dream lifestyle. Long Reach offers you this opportunity and the platform to be able to see your financial dream and your life dream come to pass. If you're watching this video, please, we have 4 packages to join this video. We have the Skill Silver, or Silver in some countries. We have the Gold, we have the Platinum, and the VIP. Please contact the person who shared this video with you. They will lead you into the various costs of the packages and get plugged in today. Do you know he who teaches you how to create wealth loves you more than he who gives you money? I've just shown you some keys that can change your financial destiny. Remember, if you are born poor, it's not your fault. But if you should die poor, it's your fault. If you have watched this video, the only thing you can do to bless your generation is to take action. The world is ruled by men who take action. That's why John Scully said, the future belongs to those who see possibilities today before it becomes obvious. Long Reach International has come to stay. Long Reach International is going viral. Long Reach International is taking over the world. Please don't be left behind. Don't be the one to be told, but be the one to tell. Take action today, and your financial destiny will not be the same again. I want to see you in Bahamas, and we shall have our dinner together. God bless you. See you where the eagles fly. My name again is Solomon Ababio Agyemang, the Chief Servant of the Wealth Group International. God bless.